good morning. It is bright and early and I am about to head into my OB appointment. I am going every 2 weeks now and I'm really excited about this particular appointment just because after last week's scare with all of the Braxton Hicks and not really feeling baby move, I just have a lot of questions for the doctor. Unfortunately, I don't get to see my regular doctor today because she's out of town. So I'm having to see a different doctor, which makes me a little bit nervous. But I just have a lot of questions to ask just about the Braxton Hicks. And I don't know, last night I was having a couple of painful contractions that were kind of close together. And I had a lot of pain in my pelvis, or a lot of pressure in my pelvis. So yeah, I just have a lot of questions that I want to ask. So when I come out of this appointment, I will update you guys and let you know all the things that I learned. So it was a pretty uneventful appointment. They said that everything was looking good. I asked if I would get another ultrasound and she said that they have to have a medical reason for that, which is a little bit disappointing. I mean, I'm glad that I don't have a medical reason to need an ultrasound, but at the same time I'm a little bit disappointed because I kind of wanted to have like that 3D image of his face because I had that with Emerson. I didn't really have a medical reason to need that ultrasound with Emerson either, but they did it for whatever reason. And so I had the 3D images of Emerson's face when she was like pretty far along, and I kind of wanted to have that again with baby boy, but I guess this office just doesn't do that. So a little bit disappointing there. She said that the fact that I went 2 weeks late with Emerson means that my risk for having or going into preterm labor is a lot lower, which is good because I'm actually going to be going on a little trip for over a week, and so I just need to make it past that and then I can go into labor and deliver this baby. But so that was really encouraging that she said that my risk for having preterm labor was a lot lower because I went so far over with Emerson. She said that she won't make me go 2 weeks over this time with this baby. Their limit at this office is 1 week overdue and then they induce, which is fine with me. And she said that she won't even make me go that long if I don't want to. So I don't know how I feel about that. I think I would prefer to go into labor naturally, but if I've just had it, it's kind of nice to know that they don't mind inducing a little bit early. So we'll see. We'll play that by ear once we get a little bit closer. But yep, so that's my update. Not much to report. Everything looks good, they said, which puts my mama heart at ease. And yeah, so now I'm going to go to Target because I have some time to myself, which is very rare, and I really need it right now. So I'm going to go to Target. Might try a little pumpkin spice latte. We shall see. It's kind of hotter than Hades outside, so I'm not exactly feeling it. Maybe a Frappuccino version. That sounds kind of good. I don't know. We'll see. I don't even know what I need to go to Target for. I just want to go and browse. Pumpkin spice latte in a Frappuccino form. So pumpkin spice Frappuccino, because Charleston thinks that it is still summer. It is way hot outside. It's close to 100 degrees, but this is really good. So at Target, I ended up getting a whole lot of stuff. of course, because it's Target and you cannot just go in and get one thing. But I got some Dreft laundry detergent because I want to start washing baby boy's clothes today. I am also going to be filming and packing my what's in my hospital bag and what's in baby boy's hospital bag video. What else am I gonna do? Or what else did I get? Gosh, I can't even think. Shampoo, some hair clips for Emerson because her hair is getting like super long and her bangs are always in her eyes, so I got her some hair clips. I got a bunch of random junk, but it was good. It was fun to browse Target, and they had their dollar spot fall stuff. Oh my gosh, it was so tempting and so hard not to buy all of it. I did get a little craft for Emerson that we'll probably do with her today. So Andrew's texting me. I'm going to speed on home and take care of my babies and see what they're up to. But it was a nice morning to myself. I feel refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Hi! How's it going? What? Look at what Mom got you. What is it? It's a pumpkin, but you can paint it. We'll paint it later, okay? Mama got you that one, and Mama got you this one. What's that? It's a kitty cat, and you get to paint it. Do you want to do that? Okay. All right, we'll do it later, okay? Look, Mama got you one other thing. Those are for your bangs. Is it pretty? Yeah. You're welcome, baby. I love you. Yay, that'll be fun. Oh, bless you. Achoo! Can get you. Come here. I'm gonna get you. What are you doing with that crayon? Oh my god, you! Oh my god, you! Oh my god, you! I'm gonna get that girl. You're so cute. Don't you be coloring. Hey, no coloring on the walls. I am going to start washing baby boy's clothes and blankets and his boppy cover, and this feels very real to me. This is like what I wait for. I hold off as long as I can because I want them to be fresh and clean for him, but I think 33 weeks is about as long as I can wait. So I'm going to take all of his clothes, put them in the wash machine, have them nice and clean and fresh for me to pack in his hospital bag, and just have everything ready to go. But like I said, this feels so real now that I'm like washing his stuff and getting it ready for him.
I'm making. Cheese!
You're so cute.
Cheese! Cheese! It's on the camera.
You're smiling at the camera. You're so cute. Say cheese.
Cheese!
Say love you.
Love you.
Say I'm a cute girl.
I take a roll.
by little you wear me down.
Little by little you wear me down.
It is 12:30-ish and Emmy doesn't go down for a nap until like 1:30. So we're trying to kill some time and get her out of the house. So in order to do that, it's like too hot to do anything outside. So we put her in the car and we're just driving neighborhoods looking at houses. And it's pretty fun, but it does make me want a house like now. I would like to see us get a house in a year or so. That would be ideal. You never know. Situations change all the time. But if I had a perfect situation in a perfect world, I would love to have our own house with a yard for Emmy to run in and a separate bedroom for each of the kids in a year. That would be ideal. Would you like that? I just got finished filming and packing my hospital bag, which is crazy. It's like so real now. We could go any day. Now that I'm packed, like, let's go today. Well, let's not go today because I'm only 33 weeks. But I wanted to give you guys a little bump shot since I haven't done that in a while. So here we are at 33 weeks. Keep wanting to say 34 weeks for some reason. Also, maternity pants are life. They make the world go round. I didn't have any with Emmy last time, and I don't know what I did, how I made it, because they're so comfy. Gosh, words are hard when you're pregnant. So yeah, there's baby boy. This is my favorite shirt. I wear it all the time. I got it from Target, and I did have a little scare. Last weekend we went on a trip and my facial serum, which is straight oil, exploded all over the inside of my luggage and got all over, well, it got all over all of my maternity clothes. And this happened the day we got there. But it was all over this shirt and I was like, no, not my favorite shirt. Not the only shirt I can wear. But it did come out, thankfully. Didn't come out of some of the white stuff very well, but it did come out of this one, which is all that matters. But I didn't get to wear it on the trip and I was a little bummed about that. But yeah, there's baby boy. He's growing well. I love him so much. And I can't believe that we get to meet him in like 6 weeks. 6 or so weeks. It's crazy to me. We just dropped our child off at Nana and Papa's house, and now we have some...
Because of the number of files on your media device, some speech commands are not available.
So we have the afternoon, well, it's 6:30. We have a couple hours to ourselves here, and we're just driving around, not really sure what to do with ourselves. We're not even hungry, so we're just gonna get some appetizers, and it's weird being without a kid, because normally we have a routine and the things that we normally do, and now that we have some time to ourselves, we don't know what to do with ourselves. But yeah, we're gonna go find some appetizers and some food and have fun. We ended up going to a Mexican restaurant, like a random one that we had never been to before, and we got some cheese dip, and then we felt like we should probably order some actual food. So we ordered let's roll this window up. Plate of taquitos and split it, and it was actually really, really good. Now we are on our way back to pick up our little girl Emerson. I don't know why I said it that way. Our little girl Emerson. Y'all know who she is. But we had to stop at Chick-fil-A, of course. I got a lemonade and Andrew got an ice cream cone. And now all is right with the world because we've had our Chick-fil-A fix for the day. Hey Emerson, did you have a good day today?
Sure is.
Did you have a good day today? What did you do?
Can make gamble.
What did you do today? Did you see Papa and Nana?
Papa Nana.
Did you see them today? Did you play with Papa? Did you go for a walk with Papa and Nana? Did you?
It could pick a walk.
And did you eat dinner with Papa and Nana? Was it really fun? Okay, we're gonna snuggle on the couch now and we're gonna watch a little bit of Mickey Mouse. Do you want Mickey Mouse or Bubble Guppies?
Bubble Guppies.
Bubble Guppies, okay. And we'll have your Milky. And then we're gonna go night-night and sleep like a really good girl. Can you tell your friends goodnight? Say night-night, friends.
Papa Prince.
Say make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.